In this tutorial, I'm gonna use some photos that is taken by Mr. Sharia Rahman. He is like my brother and a very talented young photographer, and he has a lot of awards on photography. Yesterday night, he sent some photos to mail to make tutorials with them. So guys, I'm very much excited today, and I will request you to smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss another update. So no more wait, let's jump into the main course. So today we're gonna perform blue butterfly manipulation. So here it is. Okay, so firstly I have taken a photo which I'm gonna edit, and I will go for a glitch effect. See. Okay, so I have to edit the face. See, the face is clear, by the way, and now I will apply that dojo effect to create the darkness in this photo. Now I will add another layer of a color light to create the glow, and here it is. As it's pink, it will turn it into blue color. So I have to go to adjust, then I have to change the hue to coral blue, and I have to blend it as a screen filter. Okay, now I have to crop this image. Now I will add another mask on it. So I have to go to mask and see, I used it before, which is neon purple, and I will add this in right side. Okay, so I guess it's done. It's looking cool. Okay, so now this time we will add the butterfly. I will add this butterfly. Okay, I will add another glow effect before. And I will blend it to screen to overlay mode. Okay, now I will set a bit effect. And it's done. So I will save this. It's saved to the gallery. and see the final image. So thank you guys. I hope you guys will like this video. If you like this, smash the like button. If you hate this, press the dislike button, and you please comment what you are gonna learn next time. And if you think this tutorial is helpful, then share it to your friends. And please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. No more today. This is Sheikh signing out. Assalamualaikum. Allah Hafiz.